The Study of Poetry is an essay written by Matthew Arnold, first published in 1880. It is considered one of his most influential pieces of literary criticism. In this essay, Arnold discusses the value of poetry, its role in society, and how it should be judged. Main ideas in the study of poetry: 1. Poetry as a substitute for religion and philosophy. Arnold argues that poetry can replace religion and philosophy in guiding humanity because it expresses the best that is known and thought in the world. Poetry, in his view, offers moral and spiritual guidance. 2. The Touchstone Method. He introduces the Touchstone Method of criticism to judge the greatness of a poem. Compare its lines with the finest passages from established poets like Homer, Dante, Shakespeare, and Milton. This method helps distinguish between true greatness and mere charm or style. 3. High standards of poetry. Arnold insists that not all poems or poets achieve the highest rank. He divides poetry into classical, genuine, and false. Classical poetry, permanent and of the highest quality. Genuine poetry, good but not of the highest excellence. False poetry, pretentious or sentimental, lacking true substance. 4. Criticism of certain poets. Arnold praises Homer, Dante, Shakespeare, and Milton as masters. He finds Dryden and Pope important but of lower rank because they lack high seriousness. For Arnold, high seriousness is the essential quality of great poetry. 5. Function of poetry. Poetry should be a criticism of life. It must deal with serious issues and present truth and beauty in a way that improves human character and society. Key takeaways from the study of poetry. Poetry is not just art or entertainment, it is a guiding moral and spiritual force. 2. Great poetry is marked by truth, seriousness, and beauty of expression. 3. The Touchstone Method remains one of Arnold's lasting contributions to literary criticism.